Hi you guys, if you want to learn how to make this easy and delicious mangonada, stay tuned. So my family and I went to Texas this summer, and one of the sweet treats that I just can't seem to get out of my mind is this mangonada, you guys. When I tell you, it was absolutely delicious and refreshing. So when we came back home, I had to try to recreate this deliciousness. So I am starting off by cutting up one mango, just like so. Now, just like I would do an avocado, I'm just going to take one part of that mango and score it just like so. And then I'm going to take a large spoon and scoop all of that fruit out. And of course, I had to munch on a few pieces before moving on to the next step, which is making our smoothie. So I have some mango juice here. And at first, I only poured in about a cup of mango juice, but in total, I ended up pouring in maybe about 2 cups or so. Next, I'm adding some frozen mango chunks. You can use fresh mango if you would like, but in order for it to get cold and icy, you would need to add ice. And I feel like it would kind of dilute the flavor of the mango. So use frozen mangoes if you can in this step. And then we're going to go ahead and blend it. And there's Bailey in the background covering her ears because this blender is so loud. It's old and loud, but it still works. So I'm still going to keep it until it clunks out on me. So there you see me adding a little bit more of the mango juice in order to get the perfect consistency. All right, so now that that is done, we're going to go ahead and dress our glass. So I have some tahini here. I'm going to put that on a plate, and I also have a leftover piece of the mango skin that we peeled earlier, and I'm going to use that to wet the rim of our glass. And then I took the rim and tried to get the tahini to stick on, which it was not working this way. So I just took the tahini and sprinkled it on the rim of the glass, and it worked like a charm. It stuck perfectly. All right, so after I am done with that, I'm going to take some of that chamoy and pour a little bit of that all around the glass, just like so. And then I'm going to sprinkle a little tahini on the inside. Next, I'm going to go ahead and pour in the smoothie that we made earlier. And as you guys can see some specks of chamoy and tahini in the smoothie already. And that's because I had tried to pour it in earlier and it did not work out. So that was my second attempt. But yeah, it worked out that time. So now I'm going to use that mango that we cut up earlier, and I'm going to top the smoothie off with that and then sprinkle a little bit more tahini on, because why not? And lastly, I wanted to do something fun with the straw. I know it's not the exact same as the one that I showed you guys that I got at the ice cream shop, but I wanted to kind of make kind of play it up a little bit and to try to mimic that look. So I'm taking a fruit roll up, and I'm going to go ahead and roll my straw with that fruit roll up, just like so. And that is it, you guys. My attempt at this easy and delicious mangonada. You guys, if you love mango and tahini with chamoy, you will love this dessert. It is so delicious, you guys. And as you can see, it is super easy to make as well. Perfect treat for any time, but especially during the summer. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy it, make sure you give me a thumbs up and even share with a friend. I love y'all, and I will see y'all on the next one. Until then, bye.